Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs on a gas stove. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a little salt and pepper for seasoning. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a whisk or fork, and a rubber spatula. Crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely blended. Now, let's get cooking on that gas stove. Place your non-stick pan over a medium-low flame. This lower heat is key for fluffy eggs. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil to the pan and let it melt until it coats the bottom. Once the pan is warm and the butter is melted, pour your whisked egg mixture directly into the center. For that perfect scramble, let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to begin setting. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges of the pan towards the center. Continue this folding and stirring motion, moving the cooked portions and allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Keep going until the eggs are mostly set but still look slightly moist and creamy. The secret to perfectly tender scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat just before they look fully cooked. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them to that ideal, soft consistency. This prevents them from becoming dry or rubbery. Transfer your delicious scrambled eggs immediately to a plate and enjoy them on toast or with any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.